How many times have you thought about shooting a video like this, but you always end up not shooting it? Perhaps maybe due to the fact that you don't know what to say, right? Or maybe when you even start, then you start messing up, like, okay, this is how to do it, but blah 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 blah. You're off, right? It's completely fine. I mean, it's completely normal, right? Every successful video or any content creator you see out there all make mistakes, right? At some point they made mistakes while they are still doing it right now. They are still making mistakes. So everyone is bound to make mistakes, right? But the effort that you put into it is what will set you apart, right? Is the consistency. So I'm challenging you today to start something. Try it out, then you see how far you will go, right? I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.